It's a Tuesday Newsday. It's a really good news day. It's a Tuesday Newsday at Missouri Star. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Hey everybody, I'm BJ. Katie is here. Hi Katie.
Hey.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Look what we've got here. Behold, it's not only Tuesday Newsday, but it is also the first day of our fabulous Jenny Countdown to Christmas box. Isn't this gorgeous? Okay. Hey, before I talk about this, because there's a bunch of stuff to talk about, and I think we're going to hear from Jenny here in a minute, but there's a ton of things going on in town as well, right? So
yeah.
we need to talk about that. We have got, it's the last day of the month. So this is the last day of National Quilting Month. We've got Easter coming up here this Sunday. You got big plans? Are you hosting the whole family?
Well, not this year. I hosted for Halloween. So
oh, you did? That'd be fun.
I get to, pass the baton a little. But we're going to do a big family dinner, and it'll be fun.
I never get invited to the family dinners.
Yeah.
It's all right.
You're invited this year. You can come.
Whatever. I'm not even sure. I was thinking, what is our family tree? Because
I know.
I don't know I think I'm the uncle you didn't want, or like twice removed.
I want you.
Okay, thanks. I appreciate that.
You're part of the family.
All right.
Well, no, because, you are family.
Well, I know. That's what I was trying to think.
Know,
Because Sarah and Jake are brother and sister, and Misty's married to Jake, and Misty's my daughter, and then you're...
We'll figure it out. We'll draw it out later.
We may need to draw that out. There's probably not enough branches on that tree. That's the problem.
It's a big family.
Anyway, it is a big family. Anyway, but so some stuff going on in town I want to talk about. We've got some road work that's going to be taken, and they're right in the middle of it now. They're doing some more sidewalk things to make them all wheelchair accessible, ADA compliant, which is cool. Obviously, that also causes some, I don't know what you call it.
Some hiccups now,
yeah.
but it will be good in the long run.
And then they're going to repave the entire road all the way through town, restripe it all, and the crosswalks will have stripes where they belong instead of off to some random place. So we're excited about all that getting done in town. Road work in town is a big deal, and that's going to go, I think that's about a month or so long. So just know if you're coming to town, we appreciate you coming to town, but there's going to be some construction going on.
But it will be better in the long run, we promise.
Oh, 100%.
I'm so excited. I'm actually really excited for it. It's been a long time coming.
Yeah, it definitely has. Also, it's there's a ton of stuff going on in April. There are, I think we've got 8 or 9 bus groups coming to town in April.
I'm so excited for the buses to start.
Yeah, it's always exciting when the buses start rolling in. Every Tuesday and Thursday in the main shop in April, we've got demos going on, and so you never know what you're going to find back there. And they do those in the back of the shop.
Definitely check those out.
Yeah, they're
really
free,
cool.
And you can just go back and check them out. Missouri Star Days is the 23rd and the 24th of April. April's a busy month, I should say. It's Chuck's birthday on the 24th.
Yeah, it is.
And it's my birthday on the 29th.
Happy birthday.
Well, thank you. Whatever that means. Anyway, but so you got all that. But anyway, hey, we've got this box right here. I do want to talk about it, but first we're going to go a far, far land away. We're going to go visit Jenny and hear from her first. We'll be right back and tell you more about this.
Hi everybody, it's Jenny from the Missouri Star Quilt Company, and it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Yes, it is. We sure hope you enjoyed last year's Jenny box, and I want you to know that this year's Jenny box is well on the way. I've been completely involved, even in Africa. We've been able to put things together that, and there's some of, and I just can't tell you, but you know what? What I can tell you is that there's more projects and fabric in there than ever before. So if you would like to order the Jenny box this year, if you loved it last year and you want to order it again, this is the time. This is the pre-sale is on, and we are super excited about it. The box is amazing. I know you guys love a pretty box. I mean, it's part of our age. We love boxes. We can't throw a box away because it's a good box, right? Anyway, these are great boxes, and I try to pick something that's just a little different than last year every year, so you get a variety of boxes, and I love this box. It's so cute. Anyway, I wanted you to know that I'll be back in Missouri in time to film, some of the videos for the box. I actually really enjoyed seeing other people film them last year. That was really fun for me, so I think I might keep some of that in there, but we'll also do some of them myself with Mr. Jenny over here, and We're just super excited about it. So just so you know, it's available today. We'll see you later, everybody. Bye-bye.
Wasn't that great seeing Jenny? I mean, and exciting that they're going to be back in time for Birthday Bash, which is really cool. All right, let's talk about this beautiful box. Can I get some oohs and ahs, Katie?
Ooh, ah.
Now this year's box is, it's the Nordic Knights. It's kind of a throwback or a homage to the Swedish heritage.
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful, right? And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, BJ, what's inside? Well, I can't tell you. That's the deal there. I can't tell you. It's just secret. But there are 25 gifts inside, right? And I do have, and it'll knock your socks off. And I don't think that's a hint. It might be what's inside. I'm just saying. But they're beautiful gifts. And like Jenny was saying, there's a lot more fabric, a lot more projects, a lot more things like that. Because we listen to what people say, and that's what we do.
Who doesn't love a project?
Everybody
or more
loves
fabric.
a project. What? So if this is the first time you've ever heard about the Jenny box, you need to get in on this. We just had someone come in the store just a minute ago. I didn't know this. I didn't know the whole thing about the Jenny box. So, but inside the box, there's 25 hand-curated items that Jenny picks out herself, and each item is individually wrapped, and then they've got day 1, day 2, day 3, all the way through. Works like an advent calendar, and who doesn't like a good advent calendar, right?
Guilty.
So starting December 1st, each day you can grab your coffee, your tea, just sit back and then open up your gift out of the Jenny box. And it even gets better. But wait, there's more. Each day there's a daily video that goes along with each one of the gifts, and you'll see what's in it, and hear why Jenny chose it and why she loves it and all those things like that. But can we shake it just a little bit? I used to do that. Did you do that when you were a kid?
I did. I always shook the box.
Right.
Let's do a little.
There's a little zoom in.
Zoom in there.
All right.
Look at that.
I might even show up in some of the videos with my Christmas tree and the famous Christmas pickle. But anyway, there's also a special Facebook group that you can join. Everyone shares their projects, excitement, experiences along the way. Come on in, folks. It's a built-in community, all enjoying the Christmas box together, and it sounds pretty awesome. If you don't want to miss out on all the fun this year, go ahead, place your pre-order today. It goes on sale, and you can pay all at once, or you can break it up into a couple of payments, but don't wait. The pre-order only lasts for a limited time, and then when they're gone, Katie, they're gone. So, and they do go fast. So, thank you.
We love it.
We got the the studio audience here. So, anyway, but we've got this. So make sure you take advantage of all of the fun. We'll get out of here. Make sure you order the box today. Tuesday Newsday. We're going to wrap that up. Katie, is there anything else that we've forgotten?
I don't think so. Come visit us in town in April.
That's
it's gonna
right.
Be fun.
It's going to be a busy day. You guys, we love you guys, and come and see us here at the Missouri Star Quilt Company. Thank you.